Yo, what is up guys? We're back with another video, and today we're mounting the wide body kit, getting it ready for a wrap. I have the kit right here on the floor already laid out. I had my boy Larry over here help me take off the hood since we're replacing that, since that was damaged from the crash. We have the kit on this side already mounted. We have it with the Cleco clips fasteners just to hold it temporarily. I tried putting Cleco clips here, but it's plastic. It just shoots it out, so I just put a self tapper on that for now, and I still gotta drill the 1, 2, 3, and then gotta drill that. Got to drill a hole here, hole here, hole here. I think I believe another hole here to hold the side skirt on the car. And we'll figure out how to attach this piece. They don't give you anything, but I'm gonna put something there. We gotta put this piece on right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put the kit on the car with tape, and then we're gonna just drill the holes. So when you're doing the kit, you want to do this side first, not this side particularly, but the side that has the fuel cap door, because you want to match that side to this side as much as you can. That's what we're gonna do. So you gotta cut the front. The rear's already cut and welded. Yeah, you gotta cut the front, the bumper, maybe trim some stuff inside the wheel wells for the wheels. I already ordered the tires right now, just a second ago. We have the wheels at the house. I already ordered the wrap. The wrap is ordered. I don't want to bore you any much more with this. Yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna mount the kit and drill the hole. So do a little time lapse for y'all. Alright, we have the kit mounted, but the only issue I have on this kit, pretty bowed out, and we need it to bow in a little bit. As you can see, it kind of bows right there, which I think we can fix it. We heat up the fiberglass and just bend it like that, and we should be good because it bows out. And we heat up the fiberglass and we bend it. I should probably do it, which I'll probably do that later. But now we're gonna start drilling the holes, and we'll probably do a little bit of more adjusting, probably mirror the other side and making sure everything is about the same. My most concern is this right here not matching on that side. I feel like it's slightly off. I'll fix that and then start drilling the holes, and I'll get you guys back out here. Alright guys, so over here in the front, I gave this a try and it worked, but this is bent too much, so it leaves a gap right here. It's less now because I almost fixed it. Grab the heat gun on the low setting and just start heating it up. You do want a 10 gun, and you want to get it to around 150 before you can start bending it. So it could take a little bit. Alright. And look. Boom. No more gap. So we put these two in. Boom. Minimal gap, not too bad, which, I mean, it's better than what it was when it was stupid bowed out, but we're actually kind of fighting there, because once we put these screws in, this and this will hold it, and no more gap. Nonetheless guys, that's gonna be all for this video. We mounted the kit. We have some minor adjustments we have to do, but we can do that in the next video when we're cutting up the front fenders. We're gonna cut the front fenders, gonna sand some of this stuff, do the body work on the kit to make it smooth, so it can take the wrap and it will look clean. But this kit is coming out pretty good. Car's looking nice. Wrap's already ordered. Car right here is still at home. I'll probably bring it by. But yeah, stay tuned. This is gonna be a pretty unique wrap. It's a pretty new color too that just came out not too long ago, so it's gonna be a two-tone wrap. Y'all stay tuned for that. We just gotta wait, man. Sometime next week we'll get the tires, we'll get them mounted, and we'll put them on the car and see what other adjustments we have to do. Probably cut some more stuff in the front to make more clearance for the wide wheels. Other than that, man, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep